So it's what you have in front of you is the notification which came up in December 2019 for NEET 2020. It came on 1st December 2019. I'm telling you this because this will give you an idea of how much time typically which gets taken when it comes at a normal time, which was supposed to be 1st December, so that the exam can happen in May, and why this proves that probably exam is not going to happen in May, it is going to get postponed. How much? That I also don't know, right? So understand this. So 2nd December to 2019 to 1st January 2020 was application form filling date. So these are the dates if I can write down. Notification came on 1st December, then 45 days later, 45 days to 60 days. Correction window, which is compulsory. People make mistakes. You have to give them an opportunity to correct. Correction window. After that, this one, 27th March, which means 4 months later, 120 days later, admit card. And 150 days from 1st December, NEET exam, right? You know, with the current situation, definitely counseling is not going to start before 15 January for NEET 2021. There is almost zero chance that before that time, they can come up with a notification for NEET 2022. Why is this important? Why is this important for me? A lot of students call us and ask me, sir, what should be my target date for syllabus completion? So to answer this question, I had shown you this. This is the challenge. Because of this uncertainty, NEET 2022 date, how to set a target for syllabus completion? How to set a target for syllabus completion? You have two options. You can cry, right? Or you can assume an end date. This is what I'm recommending. I don't think exam can happen before 15 June. I'm saying tentative because obviously whatever I'm saying, this is all tentative. Ultimately confirmed date has to come from NTA. If 15 June exam is going to happen, you should target syllabus completion by 30th April. Don't hurry up. Prepare peacefully. There is no point studying in a superficial manner in the first time, not understanding, hoping that I will be able to fix these things in revision. No, you have to study properly. Revision should only be for fixing weak areas which are going to pop up from the mock test that you're going to give, right? So this is the end date you can assume. I had also shared with you a sample schedule which we have uploaded on NEET Prep Telegram channel. Very, very important that you make a schedule for yourself. I have also provided a video in the bottom, in the description of this video, in which I have explained how to make your own schedule and how to set a target using the functionality which is available in Target Patch, right? So let me show you how the schedule looks like. This is the sample schedule that I had provided. Just decide which chapters you find easy, which you find difficult. And the thing is, it's very simple. Let's say in 2 weeks, you target 8 chapters to complete, right? If you are able to complete 8 chapters, so what would happen? You would be able to complete the syllabus in 96 divided by 8 into 2. 24 weeks, right? If you are able to finish only, let's say, 5 chapters in 2 weeks, then you will be able to finish it in this much time, right? But there's no point hurrying up. Ultimately, if you're going to hurry up and the exam gets postponed, you will unnecessarily end up wasting time on trying to do those things again which you should have done well in the first time. Hopefully you've understood. This sample schedule is available on NEET Prep Telegram channel. We have also provided Excel file of this. Customize it to your own requirement. Make a schedule, start following it, and try and finish it when you are comfortable. Don't try and finish it based on what people around you are telling you. Any other question, ask me in the comment section. I will answer. But students, there is no point worrying about these things. This is a reality. There is no point. I have said, there is no point crying, right? Who will you cry in front of? Have faith in yourself. Make a schedule. I provided a sample schedule. Use it to make a schedule and go as per that peacefully, and everything is going to be all right. Any other question, you can ask me in the comment section. All right, students.